Hi and welcome to Learn Music Theory in 5 minutes. I hope this video will help you get a basic understanding in music theory. Today we will talk about how to build and play chords, or triad chords. If this video is too basic for you, you can always go ahead and watch some of my more advanced videos. We all need to begin somewhere. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you also want a free Creative Booster guide, you can go to my website morningdewmedia.com and sign up for the Morning Dew Media Weekly, and you will get a free Creative Booster guide. Let's take the tour. Chords happens when you play 3 or more notes at the same time. Chords is what brings harmony into your music. It's the background and foundation which the melodist then will rest upon. I think it's crucial that you learn to build and play chords of all sorts to have a good foundation in your music theory backpack. The most basic of chords is the triad chord. It's a chord which consists of 3 notes. In music theory, we use intervals or note numbers to calculate the steps between the notes. The first note is called the root note and it counts as 1. If we look at the C major scale, where C is our 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these note numbers are often referred to as the root 1, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the 7th. So how do you build chords? You build chords off of a single note, the root note. Begin with the root note. We can take the C. Then we jump over the second note. We take the third note, the E. We jump over the fourth note and take the fifth note, the G. You often see these triads numbered as 1, 3 and 5. The most common chords is the major and minor. The major, the minor. A major triad chord consists of the root, the major third and the perfect fifth. If we create the major chord from C, we get the C as our root, the major third and the perfect fifth. The C, the E and the G. A minor triad chord has the root, the minor third and the perfect fifth. So if we create the minor C chord, we get the C as our root, then the E flat as our minor third, and the G as our perfect fifth. The root, the minor third and the perfect fifth. You can also learn the steps between the notes in the minor and major chords. In conclusion, a major chord is 4 plus 3. If we begin with a C as our root, then we go up 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our major third. Then we count 3 steps to our perfect fifth, 1, 2, 3. And there we have the major C chord. Respectively, in a minor chord we count 3 plus 4. That means if we begin with a C again as our root, we count the 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, to get to our minor third. Then we count 4 steps to get to our perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our minor C chord. Now is a good time to practice building and playing minor and major chords across the keyboard with different root notes. So we could play maybe a G minor. Let's take the G, count 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, to get to our minor third. And 4 steps to get to our perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our G minor. Some other triads that we also should mention is the augmented chord and the diminished chord. Right, so if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like and the notification bell so that you get a notice once I release new videos. If you have any questions or comments, please write that in the comment section to this video. My name is Mattias and now you can continue and watch my next music theory video. Thanks for watching today, see you in the next one, bye!